Welcome to Rubik's Fever. Today we will complete making top layer plus. You first have to face the solved layer downwards. Do you remember the 6th video of our 3x3 series? We had some situations over there, right? Similarly, to see what situation you have got here, you have to check out the flushed sides or even sides. This will help you see what situation you have got as per the 6th video. Keep applying the algorithm the way we did in the 6th video. When you have reached the plus, you will have to make it perfect. First choose a side and even it entirely by rotating it. Next, you follow the steps given in the 7th video. Identify your situation and apply algorithms accordingly. That will result you to making of top layer plus. So guys, we just made top layer plus. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.